Ria was sleeping peacefully. It was 4 o'clock in the morning. Suddenly, her sleep was ruptured by a very loud and unpleasant sound. Why? Well, this was the sound of an airplane which was taking off from the nearby airport. Now, this sound actually ruptured her sleep and she was very disturbed. Well, after some time, she tried to sleep again. Well, then her sleep was again ruptured by the sound of the barking dogs nearby. Now, she was really very disturbed. Her sleep was incomplete. Now, in the morning, she got up and tried to get ready for school. Her mind was still disturbed. Now, on the way, there was a heavy traffic jam. Now, she was again disturbed by the sounds of the moving and honking vehicles nearby. Now, all the vehicles were honking in the traffic jam. Everyone wanted to reach fast. Now, this sound also disturbed her very much. Now, in school, she was trying to concentrate on her studies and try to listen to her teacher. But she could not do so because there was an industry nearby and the sounds of the machines were continuously disturbing the students. Well, in the evening, she returned back home and she wanted to do her homework. Now, she could not do so. Why? Because the sounds of the loudspeakers near her house disturbed her so much. There was some party or some function going on which had loudspeakers, and these loudspeakers were so noisy that she could not do her work. Now, not only this, but she also noticed that there were things in her house as well which created a lot of sound, such as a mixer grinder or the television and things like that. Well, these are the unwanted and unpleasant sounds that disturb us so much. Well, they are called noise. The sound that is produced by the things that are unwanted, and that unwanted sound which disturbs us so much is called as noise. Now, disturbing and excessive noise annoys or harms the human or animal life. Now, this noise creates noise pollution. Now, you know what is pollution? Now, this noise, this harms the animal and the human life really hard. Now, this is called noise pollution. Now, the sound level is measured in the units called decibel. Now, normal sound that suits our ears, that is not unpleasant, is 50 to 60 decibels. But the barking of dogs or the honking of cars or the loudspeakers, they are all above this normal sound. That is maybe 87 decibels or around 80 decibels or 130 decibels also. Now, above 80 decibels causes noise pollution. The normal sound is around 50 to 60 decibels, but we can also adjust with the sounds around 80 decibels. But above this is what causes noise pollution. Now, this noise pollution, this affects the animal as well as the human life greatly. Now, long exposure to this unpleasant sound or unpleasant noise can lead to partial or permanent hearing loss in humans as well as animals. So, long exposure to this unwanted and unpleasant sound can lead to partial or complete deafness. Now, another effect is that excessive noise results in headache. Now, this is the reason nowadays that why so many people are suffering from headache. Now, the main reason is actually this noise pollution. Now, it creates annoyances. Now, this noise pollution or the unpleasant sound or the unpleasant noise, this actually creates annoyances within us. Now, another effect is that exposure to loud noise results in sleeping disturbance as well. Just like in our example, Ria, she faced a lot of sleeping disturbance because of this noise pollution. Now, not only humans, but animals, they also face a lot of problems because of this noise pollution. You can say that we are becoming the noisy neighbors of these animals, especially the sea animals. Do you know that the dolphins and whales, they are living in the noisy water? Now, how come? Well, underwater noise pollution, like sonar, this creates a lot of noise pollution in water. Now, because of this, the dolphins, they have to face temporary deafness. Now, this is how noise pollution affects animals also. So we can say that noise, not only it is creating environmental problems, but it is also creating health hazards for us. So we have to do something to stop this noise pollution, or to at least reduce it. So we have to reduce noise pollution. Let's see what can we do to reduce this noise pollution. Now, first of all, use of loudspeakers should be restricted. Now, the use of loudspeakers cannot be restricted completely, but at least a rule can be made that the loudspeakers cannot be used after 10 p.m. in the night or before 8 in the morning. Now, another thing is that automobiles must be fitted with silencers. Now, we know that the vehicles, they create a lot of noise pollution. They honk so much, their engines, they also make so much of noise. Now their engines can be fitted with silencers so that a lot of noise does not come out from their engines. Now another thing we can do is, factories should be located far from the residential area. Just like Riya, like she could not concentrate on her studies because sounds were coming from the nearby industry. So if the factories, they are located very far from the residential area, then their noises will not affect us. But we will be saved from that. But what about the workers that are working in that factory? How will they save themselves from noise pollution? Well, they can save themselves by wearing earplugs. Now they can use earplugs to save themselves from the heavy noise pollution. Now did you know that the curtains, carpets that we use to decorate our rooms, they can also help us reducing this noise pollution? Well, that's right. This is because they are very good absorbers of sound. They absorb the sound, and that is why they help in reducing this noise pollution. So let us try to keep our rooms decorated with curtains, carpets and such objects. Now, the TV and music systems should also be played at proper sound levels so that they do not disturb us. So can you tell me what is noise pollution? Now, unwanted and unpleasant excessive noise. Well, can you define this excessive over here? Above how many decibels is noise pollution caused? Well, the normal sound is 50 to 60 decibels. Now, excessive means above 80 decibels. So, noise pollution is caused when the sound level increases beyond 80 decibels. Now, this noise that annoys or harms the activity or the balance of human or animal life. This is what causes noise pollution. Now, how does this noise pollution get caused? Well, this is caused by moving vehicles, industrial sites, household things, and many more examples we have seen in the example of Riya. Now, we need to take effective measures to reduce this noise pollution so that we can lead a better life.